Okay, so I have this laid out of my niece. She's excited about getting a freezy. And this is the first page using the December kit. And I'm using that plaid print, which is my photo mat, which is Kim Hutchinson Harvest Dreams, called Warm and Fuzzy. And I'm going to use a few other layers that I used on the last layout. So the heart layer is Jen Hadfield Heart of Home, called Blushing. And then that wood grain paper, that is, oh, actually the background is Irit Landcraft Hip Kit Club, called Roses. She is a fellow scrapbook process. She does process videos on YouTube. And that wood grain is from my stash. I did not write down what the paper is titled, but it'll be on my blog. So I'm going to use some die cuts on here that are the crepe paper Good Vibes from the kit. And all the stickers are from past kits. So that gold sweet and the little swirls, puffy stickers, that is from past kits. Those die cuts that I'm putting down now are Good Vibes. And then all those stickers in the top right and top right are past kits. I had purchased a bunch of the Project Life core kits when they would go on sale at Hobby Lobby or Michael's. And so I took the plastic insert. Now I wish I would have kept the box. But that's okay. I have the plastic inserts and they stack. And so what I did is I took all my past kits that I had given Mateo, and he scrapbooks here and there. He doesn't scrapbook like he used to. So I pretty much scrapbook by myself now. I don't have much of a scrapbook buddy left, but that's okay. That is okay. At any rate, he scrapbooks here and there, and so I decided that what I'll do is I'll organize the past hip kits that I've given him. I will organize them in those plastic inserts from the Project Life kit or Project Life core kits. And so I organized them by stickers and die cuts, and it took 2 of those containers for the stickers and 2 of them for the die cuts. And then Tuesday morning had the midnight and the sunshine, and I was like, ooh, I don't remember if I have the midnight or not. So I purchased it because it was $10, $9.99 versus $19.99 or $29.99. I forget what they are, but anyway. And so I purchased them, and I did not have the sunshine, but now I have 2 sets of the midnight, which is fine because I'll go ahead and use the midnight that I purchased from Tuesday morning because I still have a ton of those. I purchased those and didn't use them because I also have the Maggie Home ones, so I need to use those as well. And so those heart stickers are past kits. Okay, so I'm just adhering these down, and then the Oh So Happy is American Crafts High Five Thickers. And then that's pretty much, that layer is going to go in the bottom right corner. And then my ATG ran out, and this ATG, or this tape, I purchased from Tape Jungle. And now the time before I purchased 24 rolls for I want to say it was like 45, 50 bucks, something like that. It was um not, I don't remember, but I know it was in the 40, 50 range, I think. And I ran out, and I know the tape that I purchased before from Tape Jungle, it would come off the spindle. So it was kind of a pain. Did not work like the ones that you purchased from Hobby Lobby or Michael's. That's made for this. That's 3M. And so this last, I ran out. So of course I went back to Tape Jungle, and they actually now, they don't sell the one I had. They now make one that's titled, that they say right in there, it is for the pink ATG gun, the 3M. And I tell you what, this one I have used I think this is my third roll, maybe my second or third roll, and it doesn't come off the spindle. I mean, it works great. Love it. And so I figured up for what I purchased, for what I bought the 24 rolls for, I figured it up. I use 8 rolls per year. And so for what I would purchase, for if I had to reorder, I would have to reorder, I think like 3 times, and I would have spent way over what 144 rolls are. And I want to say 144 rolls are like, is like something like $120. So it is money well spent. I will say that. It was the best $120 I spent. And I'm going to have those 144 rolls for a very long time. I think it's going to take me like something like 12 years to use them all. So I'll I don't have to worry about buying ATG tape for a very long time. Anyway, so if you are hesitant about buying from Tape Jungle, or you not sure, I can say that this second time around, love their tapes. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Oh yeah, and those popsicles are from Freckle Fawn. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.